Hey, today we're gonna be driving a bus, and this. Let's just go. Just go. Wait. Let's just go. Okay, we're heading to Mount Chiliad, I think. I don't know where we're heading to. Okay, we have a bus stop coming up right here. Break. That was a way too early break. Okay, let's go. Let's go. So the more we drive around and more pick up people, the more money we get. Then we get to unlock more buses. Now the next bus is a really dirty bus, but the last bus after the dirty bus is a small bus. So I want to know how the dirty bus works, how the small bus works, about anything, about how. Just open the doors. We're waiting for the people to get in. Then we're gonna go drop them off, pick some more people up. That is our daily retune. Why I said retune? Okay, let's close the freaking door. I gotta get that away. There. Let's go. Okay. We don't have to follow the rules, but it's currently like what time is it? Let's actually stop to see what time is it, because I do not want to crash. Gotta pull over here. So we're gonna see what time is it. Currently the time is 8:16. Well, it's not actually 8:16. Let me see what actual time is. 8:19. Oh, okay. Let's close the door. Now, bus drivers never do what I'm doing, which is a weird thing with. Wait. Okay, why am I not driving? I can't drive anymore. I'm pressing the down button. I'm not driving. Guys, what is happening? I actually don't know what the heck is happening. Weird. What is going on with the car? I have no. Oh! So stupid. I turned off the freaking bus. I turned off the bus. Then what difference does that make to turning on a bus? Okay. Going around the corner. Okay, and okay, requesting a stop. Let's stop up here and break. And doors open, colleagues out, colleagues. It says bus. It says bus. What does it say? Bus 134. Yeah, that 134 is a weird number I put on the bus, and it's cool that it says the number that I put on the bus. So that is pretty cool for one. Let's move on. See y'all later. I just dropped y'all off. Well, how am I see them later and I don't pick up the same people over and over? Well, yeah, eventually, yes. They don't have different people that you pick up. It's literally just the same people that you pick up last time. Like, it's weird. It's weird to pick up the same people that you just pick up. Now, what if that was in real life? You would be picking up the same people and you'd be like, ma'am? Sir? You were just in my bus. Why are you coming back? Or something like that, because that doesn't happen really. It doesn't actually happen. But what if it did? What if it did? What if it did? I don't know, guys. I really don't know. And we're gonna, when we get the key all the way unlocked, it's at 28%, so when we get the key all the way unlocked, where it says a big key thing or something like that, then we get the next car. I mean bus, that's what I'm thinking, because it says that. It shows a little key to another vehicle, so I'm guessing yes. So we're gonna move on. And once we start driving, once we close our doors on the game, our man disappears, then he comes back. That is so freaking honestly weird. I was almost about to hit that lady with this bus, guy. Like, what? Really? Wow, is something happening? Whoa. Okay, what just happened? Ooh. Let's see this all over again. So I crashed and the people fell down. So this is what happened. Slowly we're like, yeah. Camera 2. I just keep going. Who cares? Okay. Coming up on another stop. Now, how we're gonna take the stop is a really weird way. Y'all do not want to see what I would do. You see, I'm just passing it. That's not how we're gonna take the stop, because we're gonna have to take another stop. What? Where they can just walk over to the next bus stop. We have to pick them up from there, then drop them off at a closer bus stop. I'm not about to do that. What makes you think I'm about to pick up a person, then drop them off at the same, like just across the street? They could just walk there. That ain't that far. Why they asking for a bus to come there? Like, bro. Like, honestly. The stupidest people on earth right now. Stupid people on earth. Yeah, they can't get on this side. We're gonna have to move. So guys, if you want to see the next episode of this game, then smash a like. And then on the next episode, I think we're going to have the new bus. Apparently, the new bus. When you do this, it's quote. That means it's really not a new bus. Because why would they put a lock on a bus that is rusty? Nobody wants to ever I'm saying, ever go on a rusty bus. No, nobody ever wants to do that. Why would even somebody do that? Like, I don't even see the point of somebody even trying to do that in the first place. Like, who would even do that? Like, I'm not swearing or anything. Why would I swear? I don't swear. Super Mario Logan swears. I don't know why. I don't know about. I heard swearing is like a bad thing. And I know what swearing is. I'm not gonna say it because people will be catch me off guard. Like, hey, you guys. Well, swearing is a cuss word. Swearing is cussing. So, I feel like most people already know that. Other people don't know that. No, they don't. No, they don't. You see, it moved up to 45. The thing right there, the key up there, and the key right here, XP. When I get a lot of XP, that means I can get the next bus. Woo-hoo! So I'm gonna get the next bus. Ride with the next bus. We're back. The camera's on there. And the camera's not on there. I mean, sorry. Let's choose red. Oh, I forgot. I'm gonna put the name. I'm gonna put the name of the bus different this time. Because it keeps saying the same number over and over, and we don't want that. So I'll be right back. Look out. Okay, guys. I'm at the next one. And I still don't have the thing, but it's at 45%. Yeah, I did. I told you I did. But I'm at the gas station. I'll see y'all when I'm done getting gas. Okay, I'm done getting gas. Let's pull out. You don't see the gas, but I do. It's because your eyes are bad. Bad eyes. I don't know. I don't know if that is a thing. Crazy boy. I'm going way too fast though. Shoelaces, I just died in my laces. I'll be meditation, yeah. I wanna be like you, and I wanna be like you.